Hello! Welcome to Parallelograms, fun for the whole family. Now, what we're looking at today are two examples of shapes called parallelograms. And I've been a little bit cheeky here because the parallelograms we've chosen are not resting on flat. This one's upright and this one's on just a slight little angle. What makes a parallelogram? Well, because they have two sets of sides that are equal in distance and parallel. Basically, they're a rectangle that's been pushed over. And really, if we're going to find the area of these, the easiest way for us to do it is to cut off this little bit here and move it all the way over and stick it on here. And once we do that, if I cover this, look, all of a sudden it's a rectangle. Goodness me. Now we don't actually really have to do that. We can just do that with our numbers. And if we do that with our numbers, all we have to do is multiply the base by the height. Oh my goodness, that sounds so familiar. Base times height. So the area of a parallelogram is base times perpendicular height, or height. Now, if you remember our triangle episode, we know that triangles, what we do is we look for the right angle. And now that we've found the right angle, exactly the same way with our triangles, we multiply that side that's attached to the right angle, the whole way across, and this side, the height that's attached to the right angle. So in this case, it's a little bit overexposed, but you can still see it. That's a 4. And that's a 13.6. Now hang on, before we start, let's check, are they the same units? Centimetres. Centimetres. So 13.6 times by 4. Let's punch that into the calculator of knowingness. 13.6 times by 4. Boom. 54.4 centimetres squared. Alright. Now if we go to this one underneath, it's exactly the same. What do we look for? We look for the right angle. We have a base, we have a height. Area equals base times height, which equals 12 times 7, which equals 84 centimetres squared, because it's an area. Now, one thing I haven't mentioned as of yet is how do we set out our working? This is how we set out our working. This is how you will demonstrate how amazing you are at your areas in an exam. You write out your formula, you substitute into the formula, and then you have your answer with units. Have a